It is Sunday night and the kids want some chickens, and I am here at Bojangles. I already ordered and I'm just waiting for my chicken. Yeah. Yeah, we have a snowstorm right now. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. We have a winter storm again, but it's not bad. I mean, there's no wind and all that, so it's just like a normal winter, you know. There's a snow. So it's been snowing since last night I've been outside. So I go to Kingsport and man, it's a blizzard of snow. It's actually kind of dried snow. So again, the kids don't have school today. And right now I am reheating the food for Hannah. I just made Hannah breakfast. Yesterday, Sunday, so the kids are home. And I made a lunch, the spaghetti. So we have leftover. And also the chicken from last night. So I reheat it all up and Hannah, we're gonna eat. Come on. Good morning, guys. How are you today? So putting the batteries for these lights. So we got it from the Walmart. And I have also here the little Buddha. This is an incense cone holder. So yeah, I am planning to put this in my bathroom. And let's open it. See. So here inside there is already incense in it, dragon blood. So let's see. And there's the little Buddha. It's nice. So I think you're just gonna put the incense in here. So also bought a refill. This is lavender. So let's try this later. So I'm gonna pick one. Oh wow. So you're just gonna put it here in the top. There we go. Yeah. So if you lighten up here with the match, and then when it start having a charcoal, so the smoke's supposed to go down here and flow. So yeah, let's try this later. Yeah, thankfully last storm we don't have a blackout, but it's always nice to have the extra candles at home just in case. And then I also have here the sandalwood, another incense. So I also have the batteries here for the topper candles. So here I got 4 of these triple A's. This 1, 2. Oh, just 2. Okay, I thought 3. So there you go, guys. We have a candle. Let's try again. Morning, guys. As you see, our weather is very gloomy and wet and also murky outside. So I am making here our lunch dinner. This is a very simple dish, you guys. I sauteed sardine in a cabbage. So, and here I am frying a pork tenderloin. I marinated it with the Montreal steak seasoning. After I fried the tenderloin, here I have minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, and rosemary. I'm going to drench all the pork steak in here, and that will be it.